Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to ask your Siri about anything on screen in macOS 27. So in macOS 27, Apple introduced a new feature called Visual Intelligence, which lets you select a context on your screen to ask Siri about it. Well, you can of course use it without any additional tools. All you have to do is just, for example, right-click any element on your screen and then ask Siri about it, or just stay within one application, open some, for example, specific website on your in your browser or specific file in your Finder, and then press Command Spacebar to open the Spotlight and ask Siri, what am I looking at? Of course, this is not the only question that you can ask it, but that's an example to show you that it will give you a straight answer to it. Besides, we can also ask Siri about what we see on our screen by using the Visual Intelligence shortcut, which is Shift Command Spacebar. This will select our entire display for a context, and then we'll be able to ask Siri, for example, about what is located at the bottom of the screen, right? And it should tell us that that is dock with applications, and that's what it tells us. Or we can also be more precise and instead use left shift command and 6 combination of keys, and then select any area of the screen and ask Siri about it. Or we can also perform the image search to find similar images. What's the widget at the bottom? And it should tell us that it's photo widget. And that's exactly what it does. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.